Mitochondrial genome. Mitochondrial genome is present in many living organisms. If we see that what is mitochondrial genome, mitochondrial genome is multiple identical circular chromosomes which are present in both animals as well as in plants. In case of animals, the size of the mitochondrial genome is 15 to 16 kb, while in case of plants, the size of the mitochondria is approximately 200 up to 2500 kb. So, mitochondria is present in both animals as well as in plants, and the size of the genome of the mitochondria is less in case of animals, while it is large in case of plants. Over 95% of the mitochondrial proteins, they are encoded in the nuclear genome. The mitochondrial genome is usually A and T rich genome. Means most of the proteins of the mitochondria, they are produced from the nuclear genome of the organisms. If we see that what is human mitochondrial genome, it is circular, double-stranded, and the size of the mitochondria of the human is 16.6 kb. There are two strands of the mitochondrial genome in case of humans. These two strands, they are different from each other in base composition. Due to the difference in base composition, one of the strand is called as H strand. H means for the heavy strand, while the other strand is called as L strand. L is for the light strand. The difference between H strand and L strand is due to the number of genes, as the most of the genes are present on H strand and the number of genes which are present on L strand is less in number. Both strands, they encode genes, although the most of the genes, they are present on H strand. A short region on the human mitochondrial genome, that is approximately 1100 bases, that region is called as D loop region. This region is actually triple helix, mean at this point there are three strands of the mitochondria. The region which is called as D loop is the actually site where most of the replication is controlled. Genes are tightly packed in case of human mitochondrial genome, and almost there is no non-coding DNA outside the D loop region of the mitochondria of the humans. Human mitochondrial genes contain no introns, although introns are found in the mitochondria of other groups like the plants. This is the difference between the mitochondrial genome of the humans and the mitochondrial genome of the plants, where we see that in case of human mitochondrial genome, there are no introns, but in case of plants' mitochondrial genomes, we see that there are some introns present in the genome of the mitochondria of the plants. In case of human mitochondrial genome, there are 37 genes. Out of these 37 genes, 22 are transfer RNA genes, 2 are ribosomal RNA genes, and 13 genes are polypeptide producing. So the total number of genes which are present on the human mitochondrial genome, they are 37. Out of 37, 22 are transfer RNA genes, 2 are ribosomal RNA genes, and 13 are polypeptide producing genes. While in case of human mitochondrial genome, there are only 60 codons out of 64 codons. Here we can see that this is the pictorial view of the mitochondrial genome of the humans. Here we can see that the outer strand is called as heavy strand. This is the outer strand and this is heavy strand, while on the other hand, this is light strand. Here we can see that on the outer strand, the number of genes are high, while the strand which is called as L strand, the number of genes are less. So here is the transcription of the heavy strand, direction of transcription of heavy strand, and direction of transcription of the light strand. In addition to this, we can see that there are genes for polypeptide producing, there are genes for the ribosomal RNA, and there are genes for the transfer RNA. Mitochondrial genome, here we can see that respiratory complex genes are marked with purple, while the ribosomal RNA genes, we can see that here are ribosomal RNA genes, gene for the 16S ribosomal RNA and the gene for 12S ribosomal RNA. Total size of the genome of mitochondria is approximately 6.5 kb. This is the mitochondrial genome of the yeast. The total size of the mitochondrial genome of yeast is 75 kb. And in this diagram, we can see that there are respiratory genes. These are one of the respiratory genes which are marked with purple color. Then ribosomal protein genes, that we can see that this is ribosomal protein gene. Then there are introns. This is the intron. Then ribosomal RNA genes. We can see that this is 15S ribosomal RNA gene as well as 21S ribosomal gene. There are genes for the transfer RNA. Here we can see that here there is a gene for transfer RNA, and here is a long list and the genes are placed side by side. These genes are of transfer RNA genes. So the total size of the mitochondrial genome of yeast is 75 kb, and on the genome we can see that there are genes for the respiratory complex, there are genes for the ribosomal protein, there are genes for the ribosomal RNA, as well as genes for the transfer RNA. This is the comparison between the mitochondrial genome of the humans and the mitochondrial genome of the yeast. The inner one is the human mitochondrial genome, approximately 17 kb or 6.5 kb, and the outer is a yeast mitochondrial genome, that is approximately 78 kb. So this is the comparison between the human mitochondrial genome and the yeast mitochondrial genome. Human mitochondrial genome is approximately 16.5 to 17 kb, while on the other hand, yeast mitochondrial genome is approximately 78 kb in size. Here is the comparison of mitochondrial genomes which are present in different species. Here we can see that the name of the species, mitochondrial genomes, then type of the organism, and then the genome size of the mitochondria. Here just we take one or two examples. In case of Plasmodium, the size of the mitochondria is 6 kb, while in case of Mus musculus, which is also called as mouse, the size of the mitochondrial genome is 16 kb. Then Homo sapien is approximately 17 kb. Drosophila, which is called as fruit fly, the size of the mitochondrial genome is 19 kb. So this is a comparison of mitochondrial genome of different species. It can range from 6 kb up to 2500 kb. So here we can see in case of Plasmodium, the size is 6 kb, while in case of melon, the size of the mitochondrial genome is up to 2500 kb. The number of genes which are present on different mitochondrial genomes, this is a comparison. Total number of genes in case of Plasmodium, in case of Chlamydomonas, in case of Homo sapien. So these are in case of yeast, Arabidopsis thaliana. So this is the total number of genes which are present on different mitochondrial genomes of different species. Then the type of the genes. So genes which are protein coding genes, respiratory complex, ribosomal proteins, transport proteins, RNA polymerases, translation factors. Then the number of introns. This is the comparison of number of introns. Here we can see that in case of Plasmodium, there are no introns which are present in the mitochondrial genome of the Plasmodium. But here we can see that in case of Chlamydomonas, there is a one intron present. In case of Homo sapien, meaning in case of humans, there are no introns. And this is the comparison of the genome size. So genome size of the Plasmodium in case of Plasmodium is 6 kb, in case of Chlamydomonas 16, in case of Homo sapien 17, then yeast and Arabidopsis and so on. So this is a comparison between the number of genes which are present on different mitochondrial genomes, the number of introns, whether they are present in the mitochondrial genome or they are not present, and the comparison between the genome size of mitochondria in different species. This is the comparison between the universal code and the mitochondrial code. Here we can see that there is a little difference that has been highlighted in case of universal code and in case of mitochondrial code. Mitochondrial genome, because there are many genes which are polypeptide producing as well as RNA producing genes. So due to mutations in specific genes, many diseases, particularly the cancers, they are caused due to the mutations that can occur in the genes of the mitochondria. So here are all those cancers that can cause due to the mutation in different genes of the mitochondria. Mitochondrial DNA also helps to track the human migration. So a study has been performed that have speculated that all human descended from a small group of Africans. This group originated in Central Africa, and then approximately 200,000 years ago, they migrated towards the Asia, ultimately towards North America and South America. So with the help of polymorphisms which are present in the mitochondrial DNA, we can track that how humans migrated from Africa to other continents of the world. So if we conclude that what is mitochondrial genome? Mitochondrial genome, multiple identical circular chromosomes. They are present both in case of animals as well as in case of plants. Although their size in case of animals is less when we compare it with the size of the plants.